Hello, Dr. Panku again, and in this video I would like to talk about your unit exams and your diagram exams. Each unit will have several exams. Most of the time it will cover a single chapter. The first unit and the last unit will have exams that cover multiple chapters. So your first exam is going to be on chapter 1 and 2. Your second exam will be on 3 and 4, and then at the very end of the semester it will be chapter 17 and 18 together. So you can reach your exams by going to course information. I'm sorry, not course information. We're going to go to learning units. There we go, learning units. And as you scroll down, you'll see first practice quizzes. The practice quizzes are there for you to take as many times as you would like. They won't show up in your grade book. They are not graded. They are a good preparation. Some students find them very useful to take before they take the regular exams. So we have Unit 1 exams here, and then Unit 1 diagram study guides here. Let's talk about the exams first. Here you can see that there are 2 exams, chapters 1 and 2, and 3 and 4. The due date is given as September 22nd, and you can see also that there is a diagram exam link here. The diagram exams are going to be a little different than the unit exams. Let me explain. First, the chapter exams are going to take you to Connect. So when you click on this, this will automatically launch you into your Connect site. Right? So I can preview this, for example, as a student. You won't be able to, you'll see it a little bit differently than I will. But you'll see questions on here. You'll answer the question. You won't get the answer like I see here. And you're going to have a mixture of questions in here. For example, there are 40 in the pool, but you won't be taking that many questions. So you'll take 40 questions out of a pool. There could be 80 questions in this pool. Once you're done, you're going to click on it. There's a time limit on these exams. Remember that you are not on camera when you are taking this exam, so make use of your notes or your textbook, but you're not going to have enough time to read through your textbook and try to answer the questions. You have to be prepared for the exam. You'll also find another exam for chapters 3 and 4. Both of them will take you to the Connect site as well. By the time you take these exams, you will have already logged into Connect, so you will go directly to the place where you have to be. Then you will also see that you have a diagram exam. The diagram exam is in a separate category than the exams, and it is valued at different points, a percentage of the course than the exams are. The diagram exams are going to be a little different in that you are going to be on a camera for this. So you have to have Respondus Lockdown Browser along with the screen, the camera, which is called Respondus Monitor. You have to keep your eyes focused on the keyboard and the screen at all times. If you look away, you're going to be flagged. If you're flagged, then I get a notification that I have to watch your entire video. I do not watch the entire video, but the camera does know where your eyes are and is going to watch if you're looking away or looking down a lot or looking up. Make sure your face is right in the screen. There will be some prompts in the very beginning with the camera that will ask you to look into the screen. You also have to show your identification. It can be a driver's license or it can be your BC3 ID, but it should have your correct name on it, and there'll be a snapshot taken of that so we know that it's you that is taking the exam. Now I can't click on that because I can't get into Respondus Monitor from my instructor's vision right now. So let's go back a little and see how you can prepare for these diagram exams. Each unit has a diagram exam, and there are study guides available for you. So you can see they come in different formats. I have it as a PowerPoint, and I also have it as a PDF. However you want to use it, maybe as a PowerPoint, you can actually write right on it. That's a little bit difficult. What I really encourage you to do is print either the PowerPoint or the PDF study guide, either the blank or the filled-in study guide. I would suggest printing them both and then practice on the blank blank study guide. Students have told me that they just take blank sheets of paper and lay them on top of the blank study guide, and then they can write the answers on it. Correct spelling is expected. If you make spelling errors, you get no points. And that just breaks my heart so many times to see students know what the diagram is pointing to, but they can't spell it correctly. But spelling is really important, especially in the medical field. If you misspell a word, you could kill someone. So let's take a look at the study guide here as a PDF document. So you can see as the PDF document, all of the terms are on here. These are from your textbook, no surprises. Anything on these pages is fair game. Now you see on this diagram, for example, it says nucleus. That's all you would have to know. No, I'm sorry, you would have to know the nuclear envelope, the chromatin, and the nucleolus, but you do not have to know, at least for the diagram exam, the definitions of those items. So you can see there are quite a few items to know for the study guide. So what you can do then is go to this blank. On the blank, if you print this, you can see that there are no answers there. You can lay a piece of paper over top of this and then answer each one and keep spelling it and checking back to make sure you are correct. Same idea here. So you can lay a piece of paper on here and keep writing it and writing it. Students tell me that's the best way that they can learn, just by writing it over and over and over again. Right? So you have your unit exams and your diagram exams. And that's all we have in this video.